अस्सलामुअलैकुम 8th क्लास। बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। क्लास हमने लास्ट टाइम चैप्टर नंबर 5 कंप्लीट कर लिया है। आज हम अपना चैप्टर नंबर 6 स्टार्ट करेंगे, डैट इज़ अबाउट एसिड, बेसिस, आल्सो कॉल्ड अल्कलीज एंड साल्ट्स। तो सबसे पहले आज मैं आपको एसिड का कॉन्सेप्ट दूंगी। क्लास एसिड आर दोज सब्सटेंसेस, दोज केमिकल्स और दोज कंपाउंड्स दैट प्रोड्यूस हाइड्रोजन आयंस इन सॉल्यूशंस। हाइड्रोजन आयंस डोनेट करते हैं सॉल्यूशंस के अंदर, उनको हम एसिड्स का नाम देते हैं। फॉर एग्जांपल HCl इज़ प्रोड्यूसिंग H+ आयंस एंड क्लोराइड आयंस, so it's an acid because it is producing hydrogen ion. Like that H2SO4 is also producing hydrogen ion, it is also an acid. So acid is now open your books and see the page number 78. Acid is a word that is derived from Latin word acidus. Acidus means sour, bitter. In chemistry, the term acid has been used to name a group of compounds that have sour taste. Acid can be defined as the compounds which produce hydrogen ions in their aqueous solutions. Citrus fruits have sour taste due to the citric acid. So citrus fruits are the source of citric acid. Hydrochloric acid is an important mineral acid. It is also used found in the gastric juice of stomach to kill the germs for the acidity. Sometimes it causes the acidity. It acts as an antiseptic and helps in the digestion of proteins. Sources of common acids. There are discussed about the sources of acids, common sources of acids. Here are the common sources of acids are discussed. Generally, acids are obtained from two different sources. Some acids occur in plants and animals and are known as organic acid. They are obtained from minerals and are called mineral acid. Some common organic acids and their sources are given. You will learn this table. Formic acid, its source is ant sting. Acetic acid, its source is vinegar. Vinegar, also called oxalic acid, its source is tomato. Citric acid, it is found in citrus fruits. Tartaric acid, it is found in grapes and tamarind. Lactic acid is found in yogurt. Malic acid is found in apples. Stearic acid is found in fats. In next table, some examples of acid are discussed that are obtained from minerals. Hydrochloric acid, nitric acid, sulfuric acid and phosphoric acid. Their formulas are also given. You will learn the formulas. Formula of hydrochloric acid is HCl, formula of nitric acid is HNO3, H2SO4 is formula of sulfuric acid, H3PO4 is the formula of phosphoric acid. So now you'll learn this. Here are physical properties of acid are discussed. Physical properties that all acids have sour taste and they'll turn the blue litmus paper red, and they are the good conductor of electricity. They are corrosive liquids. They burn the scale and destroy the fabrics, animal tissues. Acid next, the chemical properties are discussed that we'll discuss in our next lecture. Physical properties also include the litmus behavior of acids. Acid turns blue litmus red because they have the pH less than 7, and the acid react with metals, and when they react with metals they produce hydrogen gas. I'll also explain them these equations in next lecture by writing them. Today I'll discuss theoretically. Acid react with metal carbonates and metal bicarbonates or hydrogen carbonates to make carbon dioxide, water and CaCl2 calcium salts. Acid react with carbonates and bicarbonates to make or to evolve carbon dioxide gas, as well as water and salts are produced of respective metal. And next, acid also react with bases to make salt and water. These are neutralization reaction. In neutralization reaction, acid react with bases to form salts and water. As example shown, sulfuric acid is reacting with sodium hydroxide, that is strong base, strong acid, and they are producing sodium sulfate, that is a salt, and water. Next, uses of acids are discussed that we'll discuss in next lecture.